Here is a cardboard box which has the full okay, that's cool. Here is a cardboard box which has the Wolfart symbol all over it. It's also box number 477. Within this box is a bunch of equipment that the letter H sent over. I know of one or two things that are in here. I'm not sure what else. Let's take a look. Okay, first we have some letters that make words. Refill, remodel, which usually makes me unhappy. Retell, unfair, reptile, unselfish, retrace, unkind or the rude, review, uneven, unequal, reuse, uncle, retake, unusual, rewrite, and unsteady. This definitely is unusual. On the other side there is some information, and it says the power supply within the box for the 1339 is the same specification as the 1825 calls for ampersand may be safely used with it. Okay, so hopefully that means that when we retest that AT&T telephone, I believe that's the number telephone we're talking about with that cool ringer, it should work properly. At least I think that's the one that... No, that's the 870. Oh no, I don't know which one he's talking about anymore. I'll have to search up the numbers. Oh, wait a minute. He's talking about answering machine. I think I have the 1339 answering machine somewhere, and maybe the 1825 answering machine is within the box. So this is good for the environment. Here's the 1339, the answering machine. This is a very cool answering machine. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. For some reason I had envisioned this was like a giant answering machine. This, I believe, he said that the voice on here is the same as the voice on the 5600, and I really like that voice. I think it's a really cool early digitally synthesized voice. Compact design, here we go. So this says the power supply within the box for the, so this should have a power supply, is also good for the 1825. Okay, now it's coming full circle. Here's the 1825. Okay, now I understand what's going on here. So we have the 1339, the answering machine. We have the 1825 corded telephone, speakerphone with answer machine, and this is the rare special edition yellow finish, Maraca edition, and we should have a corresponding handset. Here we go. Here's the corresponding handset with very faded graphics and a cord. This is an unusual handset. I've never seen that before. At least I don't think so. Okay, the handset is now plugged in. Next we have something with a lot of tape on it. It's from my favorite website. Hello? There we go. Ripoff, a bay of scams and money-hungry sellers. Oh, this is cool. So this is a collection of knobs. These are all mostly to vintage air conditioners. And like here's a white Westinghouse knob. And here's a Sanyo knob. Sanyo makes very good quality equipment. I'm not sure what this one. This looks like a 50s or 60s model. I'm sure, Russ, if you're watching this, you know what this goes to. This is a Kenmore. Oh, these are metal. Probably goes to something old as well. And then this, I actually need this particular knob. This is for the Carrier, the gigantic one. What's that called? The Super Weather Maker. I needed that for that. So that's cool. I think the Siesta uses the same knob. So that's a really cool array of parts. This is a timer, like for a whole house fan or something. So that's a really cool array of parts to have. I've got a different bag to put these in when it actually opens and closes. So just don't pull this in. Here's a bag that opens and closes. Right now it's open. And now it's closed. We have some more stuff that's good for the environment. And lastly, we have a handle. This handle goes to a vintage hedge trimmer that I got over the summer from the classified House of New Old Stock Equipment. And the fact that this has surfaced speaks volumes about what I was describing about the house in previous videos, how it's literally like a hardware store in there. I had grabbed the trimmer and I didn't realize at the time that it required a handle, and I had asked indirectly the owner of the house if she had a handle for it, and lo and behold, the handle surfaced. So it's really incredible over there. Picked up a lot of really good tools and stuff from that house this summer. So there's our box from the letter H. I'm not sure if we'll get to using the, oh, if we wreck the place, we're not going to do anything. I'm not sure if we're going to get to using the hedge trimmer or not this year. If not, we'll use it in the spring. And here we go. Some knobs, some cool telephones, and some words.